In order to simplify 6 times the square root of 490r to the 5th, we need to look at the radicand, 490r to the 5th, and the root, which is 2. We need to take the radicand, take each of the pieces, and break them down into prime factors. So we can factor 490 into 7, 7, 2, and 5, and we can factor r down into r squared, and then that r cubed into r squared and r. So we can rewrite this radical as 6 times the square root of 7 times 2 times 5 times r squared times r. Now because we're dealing with a square root, if we have a pair of any numbers or variables inside our root, we can bring them outside the root. So we have a pair of 7s, which means we can bring the 7 outside the root, and we have a pair of r squareds. So we can bring an r squared outside of the root as well. Now what we have left is a 2, a 5, and 1r. So those are going to have to remain inside the root, and they get multiplied. So we'll have that 2 times that 5 times that r. And we can rewrite everything in one color. And if we simplify this by performing all the multiplication, we'll end up with our final answer, which is 42r squared times the square root of 10r.